Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix Shein suspended account. First of all, you can open the Shein application in your mobile, and after opening the application, you can just simply go to the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see this type of interface. And after this, you can now tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen using your second account. And after this, you can just simply scroll down. You can just simply tap on terms and conditions. And after tapping on terms and conditions, you can just simply read the conditions. The account is suspended if you can perform the activity against the Shein app policy. And after this, you can fix suspended account on Shein app. You can just simply tap on the 16 option, that is contact us. And after this, you can tap on customer service platform at the last. And after opening the page, you can just simply type your message briefly. Here you can just simply write an application that sent to your customer service on Shein app, and it is a way you can fix suspended account on Shein app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.